In this video, I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate how to sew your side seams of your pillow together. Now, I have already completed sewing on my design onto the right side of one pillow fabric, or the felt. Now I'm going to go ahead, take my second piece of fabric that I folded and put it away, and I am going to go ahead, look for the right side, the side that is fluffier and more plush, and I'm going to go ahead and take that side and use it to cover up my design. Now, as I'm covering up my design, I am trying to meet those corners together to the best of my abilities. Now, if you notice that your sides are not meeting perfectly, like so, very carefully take your fabric shears, and slowly trim the excess off in order to make sure that the sides are equal. This will go ahead, make it easier to sew your sides together. Alright, so now my two pieces of fabric are the same side and aligned. The next step is to pin your sides together. Now, you always want to start with your corners. So I'm going to go ahead in a diagonal. The stopper end of my pin is going to be at the corner. The pointy part of my pin is going to be closest to the center. I'll go ahead, do that to each of the corners. And then once I have completed my four corners of my fabric, I'm then going to finish pinning the centers of the sides. So for this, you can add 2 to 3 pins in between, depending the size of your pins. These are smaller pins that I'm using, so I'll probably need 3 to 4 pins in order to make sure that my sides are nice and stable and secured while I sew. Now, you are going to do this to 3 sides. You're going to leave one side unpinned for the moment,